Good morning, everybody. Me and Hank is feeling better. He was sick a couple days ago. Thought he had cherry eye or something. And you know, how our luck's been going, that scared the heck out of us. So anyway, he's feeling better today. We went to the concert last night. We needed a little bit of a break. Didn't really want to spend the money, but we did. Went to Three Dog Night. One thing we learned at this concert is don't sit on the floor. Some couple ladies that were probably way too old to be screaming like they were right behind me and Vicky, and both of us have sore ears today. Had headaches last night after them screaming so loud I couldn't even hear the Three Dog Night, and then other people dancing in front of us. But that was last night. Today's a good day, as you can see. This is we're at Cactus Peach in Nevada, is where the concert was. And this is what they call Jackpot Forest. All it is a bunch of trees planted here in the grass. And Hank loves to walk over here, so we're taking him over here. We're going to head home pretty soon. That's the point of this video. I'm going to stick this on here. I'll give you a little review on how the truck ran on the way home. I don't think I'll record us driving down the road. Who knows? But anyway, the truck ran okay on the way down. It's still smoking a lot when it fires up, but that has been happening for a long time. They think adjusting the valves will fix that. Let's just hope my luck holds out. By my dog getting better, wherever he is. Oh, he saw a bird. Saw a bird. My luck holds up and we can get them adjusted, and it'll help it out. So anyway, good morning, everybody. Enjoy the rest of this video. I'll let you know. Well, as you can see, I'm cleaning the bike. Let me adjust this a little bit better. I didn't record anything after we left down at Jackpot. Truck ran good all the way home. It seems to be fixed, but that's only about 100 miles we went on it. When I get another 300 on it and nothing happens, I'll consider it fixed. But you've seen by the video here, I'm working on the bike now. Been working on it for 3 days now. I haven't heard nothing, haven't got anything from the insurance company. Don't know when or if I will. They say it'll happen. But I'm cleaning it up, and I'm going to put a still picture on here right here so you can see what it looks like with a flash. It's kind of dull, dark in here. He's only got 2 lights in here. 3, 6, but they're way over there. So I've opened up the door here and put a little light on there. What I'm doing now is I'm trying to clean things up, doing all the chrome with Windex. I washed the whole thing first, did that, and then a lot of you guys on my last video talking about this, you said to get, what was it, F11? You said to get pig spit. One of you guys call it hog spit. You know who I'm talking about. But it is pig spit. And another guy said to get just a Harley-Davidson engine brightener. Well, that's what we got. I called Harley-Davidson and they had it on stock, so I just swung by there and got it. Also, I'm going to change in the oil too. I use a genuine Harley-Davidson oil filter. I think it's the best. So we're changing the oil out, getting it all ready. I've been shining on that back tire, shining on the chrome, shining on everything. I'm going to go over and wax it when I get it all done. But that's 2 of the agents, and I'm also using this one here on the chrome. And it sounds like my buddy's home. Here he comes. He's pulling right in the garage right now as we speak. You hear that rattly old truck? I gotta give him kudos, man. He's letting us stay here, and that's a lifesaver. But I don't want him knowing he'll get a big head So we won't say nothing about him now that he's here and he can hear me. There he is. He just went and got his valves adjusted on his truck. How's she running? Any different?
Runs like high performance Dodge.
I know he's lying now. Anyway, that's what we're doing. I'm going to change the oil on here. We haven't heard, got any money from the insurance, so I'm not doing any more than I have to because I don't got the money. But it's jacked up. We're going to change. I think it looks a lot better. This stuff really works. Shined it all up. Of course, I cleaned it all up first and continue to clean it as we speak because I just don't. You see a place that needs it, you got to clean it up again. Okay, that's what's happening right now. We're going to go on a ride today, I think, and after I get the oil changed, and I'll put that on another video. I just want to let you know that the truck may be fixed. That part. I'm still waiting on the other part. I guess I haven't told you about that. The air conditioning is supposed to be fixed on the 22nd. This time we're going to go with a genuine Dodge part. Instead of using the aftermarket condensers we've been using, we think maybe that's the trouble. Well, we're going to put another one on there on the 22nd. We're going to go through all the fluids. My nephew's going to do all this, fix that. And then I tried to get the guy that did the computer to do the valves. He doesn't have time right now. Terry went and got his done at some other place. And it's okay?
It's okay.
It's okay. So that's what's going on in my world. Hank's doing fine. I'm really glad we took him to the doctor, got his shots, $150 later, he's feeling better. And with no operations on his eyes. That's a big plus. I'm hoping that that makes our luck change. Although, while we were down there in Jackpot, a couple I know, guy does all my leather. You seen all them patches put on my leather jacket? The guy does that, him and his wife, and I've known his wife longer than him. She's a very nice lady. Known him since the 90s. Well, somebody rear-ended them. We don't know why, but he's in jail for other charges. But he rear-ended them, and he killed Mary Ann, and he killed her dog. And the man, Dwayne, he's in the hospital right now with severe brain damage. So, I'm hoping that that's the end of it, and now that we've got Hank fixed up, maybe that's the end of our bad luck for a while. Thanks for all your comments, and stay tuned. I'll put another video on here in a couple days of where we're going today. See, he just had to walk into my shot.
I did.
There he is, there he is, there he is.
Photobomb.
My best friend. All right, guys, subscribe so you can follow our adventures. Oh, there's Hank down there, too. He had to get in the shot. Everybody's getting in the shot. So, hey, we'll talk to you later. Bye. All right, guys, got a couple corrections. I got sidetracked there. Mother's is what I've been using, and I've shined up all that plastic. It brought it back to life. This Mother's back to black. And another thing I mentioned on there, I said condenser. That isn't what we're fixing on the pickup. We are fixing the compressor. We're going with a Dodge brand new compressor. So there's a couple corrections there. So now I'm going to leave. We'll leave with a good shot from a good dog. Hey there, good dog.